To make gingerbread house kits, the factory starts with baking soda, a leavening ingredient. A worker adds a scoop of salt to the baking soda and measures these ingredients by weight. He transfers the baking soda and salt to an enormous mixer. He measures the spices: cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. He closes the mixer and the system pipes in water, molasses, and sugar. At the top of the mixer, he tosses in a big block of vegetable shortening. The mixer creams all the ingredients and blends in the flour, producing a putty-like dough. A spiraling mechanism now helps move the dough onto a conveyor. A roller flattens the chunks so they won't fall off during the steep climb. At the top, the conveyor levels off and delivers the chunks of dough to a machine known as a sheeter, because it rolls the pieces into a seemingly endless sheet. A large cookie cutter swoops down, propelled by compressed air. It punches out various shapes, producing gingerbread cookies that will fit together to form a house. The cookie cutouts land on moving rubber-coated wires. Separators between the wires knock off the excess gingerbread dough to be captured and mixed into the next batch. The cookies then leave the wire conveyors, and a mesh one takes them up to a baking sheet belt. The baking sheet belt travels slowly through a long convection oven. Exiting the oven, the baked gingerbread shapes transfer to a spiral conveyor. And after a 30-minute ride, the dough has cooled and firmed up. Workers stack the pieces for one gingerbread house onto a piece of cardboard, and they're ready to be packaged with the rest of the kit. Elsewhere in the factory, they blend together the icing ingredients for the kits. With the icing ready, plastic packaging moves towards hot jaws that seal the bottoms. A robot grabs a package and opens the top, and a fill nozzle pumps the icing into it. Another robot applies an applicator tip and heat seals the plastic around it. A worker retrieves them and places them in a box for transfer to the kit assembly station. Once packaged in a kit, these gingerbread houses are ready for quick builds.